This is my Kitten Pickles. We just got him a week ago. He's only about 9 weeks old. He's very cute. He's a little shy. And this is my cat, Tater. He's about 5 years old. He's a good cat, but he used to bother Pickles all the time. Now he's just getting used to him. Pickles here has been chewing on the wire since this morning, but I'm sure he's done now. Such a cute kitten. He's a cute cat. Hey, don't show his butt in your face. He's such a little prankster. Come on. Come on. No, not in there. Whoa. Come on, go get that. What are you doing? You're such a good kitten. Sorry, sometimes this camera is bad. Sometimes this turns yellow. Hey, Pickles. Wanna play a game? No. We don't. Kittens don't climb in the dishwasher. This cat is very good at hiding. I'm pretty sure you love a cat like him.